Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is create notes for a Google Calendar meeting.
Have you ever attended a meeting or webinar in Google Meet and the host provided you with a document to take notes during the session? That's pretty cool. In this tip, I will show you how this is done. Within your Google Workspace, click on the App Launcher and open up Google Docs. Create a blank document. Click on the Insert tab, select Building Blocks, and then Meeting Notes. From the drop-down calendar provided, select the meeting or webinar that you want to create a master note page for. Click on the title cell, and it will automatically populate it with the date of the meeting along with the session title. When the title is sufficient, just click somewhere else in the document and the title will be saved. Google Docs will ask you if you want to attach these notes to the meeting in Calendar. Click Attach. If you are the meeting organizer and want to share the blank notes document with all attendees, click on the Share button in the top right corner. You can add people right away, or you can copy the link and paste it within your email that contains a meeting invitation. Click Done when finished. If you click on the event on your calendar and scroll to the bottom, you will see the notes attached. Just click on the file link before you join the meeting and you are ready to begin taking notes. Remember, work smarter, not harder.
Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.